Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Abhijit. Today I am going to draw freehand outline of Akshay Kumar with the using of my pentel pencil. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's jump into the drawing.
Friends, as you can see here, I first want to copy the angle of the eye. Now I find the center and figure out the angle of the nose and duplicate as well as. As you can see here, the part between two eyes is the same as one eye. Now outlining the nose by taking a map from the position of the eyes. Outlining the lips by taking a map from the position of the eyes and nose. Now I draw the teeth. Carefully see the picture and try to copy as it is shown on the picture. Now I draw outlining the forehead and hair by taking a measurement from the nose and eyes. Now I outlining the shape of the face. Carefully see the picture and try to copy as it is shown on the picture. Now I outlining the ear and try to draw air as well as shown on the picture. As you can see here, I almost completed the portrait part of the Akshay Kumar. Now I draw the shirt part. Carefully see the picture and try to copy as it is shown on the picture. Friends, as you can see here, Akshay Kumar outline drawing was ready for shading. Friends, I hope you like my drawing. If you like my drawing, then hit the like button and share with your friends, and those who are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest update.